RVMax.us presents you 2003 Cedar Creek Model 34 RLB with an Onan Marquee 6500 LP generator. Believe this is a one owner, fifth wheel, just got it on trade. 2 slide outs, 34 or 35 feet approximately in length. Very good condition. No roof leaks, no major damage on the outside. It's a South Carolina coach. Big bay window in the back. Brand new patio awning. Good tires. Lots of underbelly storage. Take a look at the outside, it still shines. Let's step inside. It's a odorless interior. No pad odor, no smoke odor. Very clean. Carpet is free from any stains. Again, no odors. Very neutral. Ceiling fan. Fantastic fan up on top. Kitchen consists of conventional oven, 3-burner gas stove, microwave oven here, coffee maker, lots of cabinet, overhead cabinet space, lots of storage. Dual sinks, pretty huge sinks here. Some more cabinet room underneath. Double door refrigerator, Dometic. It runs on LP gas or electric power when you're plugged up to the campground. Some more pantries here. Sliding pantry, that's a neat feature. Looks like a reupholster, brand new chairs, or they're just in really good condition. Big bay window back here. More cabinets on top. Sofa opens up in a full bed. Yep, indeed. Very nice upholstery, no tears, no stains. Nice wooden dining table. 4 chairs, TV. I believe it's got a satellite dish on top. I'm not sure, please check all my pictures. Nice woodwork. Doesn't seem like any damage on the floor. Good condition. Back here in the bedroom, you've got a bedroom slide, gives you plenty of room to walk around, as you can see in this video. Coat closet in the back. Another TV back here. Some counter space. Vanity mirror. It's a day and night shades. Sink with the medicine cabinet here. Nice sized bathtub or stand-up shower. Some more room here. Could almost put a stackable washer dryer if you'd like to. You have to plumb for it. A laundry chute. Some more drawers down here and private toilet. The fantastic fan on top and some more cabinet room here. This concludes our video presentation for this 2003 Cedar Creek Model 34 LB or 34, whatever the model number is. I do primarily Class A diesel motorhomes. I do get this in once in a while on consignment or trade. Really nice fifth wheel. If you buy this, I've got a 2003 or 2004 model Ford truck that'll go with it, which is sitting right here. It's got 70-some thousand miles. It's got the hitch, extra fuel tank. About 76,000 miles. This is also a one owner. It even has a wind deflector. It's a little boo-boo right there. Beside that, it's a good looking truck that'll go with the Cedar Creek fifth wheel, or we can sell the fifth wheel first and the truck later. So that's how it's gonna go. Cedar Creek gotta go first. and then the truck. Thank you. Have a great day. Look forward to talking to you. Give me a call, 864-404-0054. I prefer text. The number again is 864-404-0054. With this 2003 Cedar Creek Model 34 RLBS. We got that right now. All right. Have a great day. Look forward to earning your business. I have a lien-free, clear South Carolina titles in my hand. Thank you. Have a great day.